policía?
No way.
Oh.
Wait, do you have a hole in it? Yeah, it shouldn't be that flat though. You need a new inner tube.
So basically, ¿ah? Policía?
No way.
Yo, Ray, go policía conmigo. Let's go, Ray.
Yo, nah, we're gonna be on a needle. LVs are gonna get removed. You back to football, let's never come back to this state.